This week, you're going to be reading Chapter 2 out of Spielvogel, The Ancient Near East, Peoples and Empires. And really, what this chapter is about is the transformations that take place in the Ancient Near East after the end of the Bronze Age. There's a remarkable thing that happens around the year 1200 BC, where pretty much all of the major Bronze Age empires, the Mycenaean Greek Empire, the Hittite Empire, and the Egyptian New Kingdom, either disappear or, in the case of Egypt's New Kingdom, are severely weakened. Now, we don't know exactly why this Bronze Age collapse occurs, but when it does, it creates a real power vacuum in the ancient Middle East. Because formerly, the Hittites to the north and the Egyptians to the south had controlled all that territory in what is today modern-day Israel, Lebanon, and Syria. But after the year 1200, suddenly that territory is no longer being controlled by Egypt and the Hittite Empire. Instead, again, a series of small kingdoms, the Phoenicians, the ancient Israelites emerge, all of them sort of emerging out of this power vacuum. Now, the kind of the plot, if there is a plot, of this chapter is the story of the rise of these small kingdoms. In particular, the textbook focuses on the Jews, and then their decline as large-scale empires re-emerge, emerging out of generally northern Mesopotamia and modern-day Iran. And so the second half of the chapter tells the story of three large Iron Age empires: the Assyrian Empire, the Neo-Babylonian Empire, and the Persian Empire, all of which arise and end up conquering most of the ancient Middle East, including all of those small kingdoms that had been independent for a good 2 to 3 to 4 to 500 years. Now, the empire to focus on this week, probably the most, is the last one in the chapter, the Persian Empire. Because more than any of the others, the Persian Empire is going to create a long-lasting, huge empire that's going to unite all this territory stretching from India to the east to Egypt to the west, and create one unified cultural, linguistic zone there. As we're going to see in 2 weeks, that Persian Empire is going to be the vehicle by which Greek ideas spread throughout the ancient world.